Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2014 535i BMW, and what happened is we were putting a battery in this car, and we always hook up a power supply to the OBDII connector to keep the memory from losing its memory. So what happened on this car here, we must have touched this to ground and it blew the OBDII fuse, and then the car wouldn't start. You turn it on, try to start, it won't start. The wipers are going crazy. The car just won't start. So there is a fuse box back here, all right? But the fuse is not in this fuse box. So you have to come up underneath the glove box here. And in the glove box here, there are more fuses. So I'm trying to get the phone to focus. There's a 10 amp, there's a 5 amp, then there's a yellow 5 amp, then there's a brown, that brown 5 amp. That yellow 5 amp is the fuse that was blown that you have to change to get the car running again. So if you ever have one of these that you blow the fuse for the OBDII connector and the car won't run, that is the fuse right there. It's 1, 2, 3. It's the third fuse down from that 10 amp. That's the fuse you need to change. Alrighty, everybody, just a real quick one. I know this one's going to help out a lot on people that blow the fuse. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos. And this one is definitely going to save some people's butts.